Are you experiencing error code NW-102655-9 while playing a game on PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check PlayStation Network status. When you are having issues connecting your PS5 to the Wi-Fi internet, check the PSN status. If the PSN server is down, then also you can get such issues. To do that, visit the PlayStation Network status page. Confirm if PSN services are active and not undergoing maintenance. If the service is under maintenance, wait for some time till the server is up and live again. Method 2. Restart the console. Next, you can restart the console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. To do so, press the PlayStation button on your controller. Scroll down to Power and select Turn off PS5. Wait for the PS5 to completely turn off. Unplug the power cable from the back of your PS5 for about 30 to 60 seconds. Plug the power cable back in and turn on your PS5. Method 3. Check your internet connection. The next thing you should do is check that your internet connection is stable. Ensure your PS5 is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or a wired Ethernet connection. You can run an internet connection test. You can try connecting other devices to the same internet and check or visit speedtest.net to check the internet speed. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Select Network. Then select Test Internet Connection. Method 4. Restart the router or modem. The next thing you can do is restart the router or modem. To do that, turn off your router and modem. Wait at least 5 minutes. Turn them back on. Now check if that could resolve the issue. Method 5. Use a VPN service. Using a VPN allows you to access games from different regions by changing your IP address. A VPN creates a secure connection to another network over the internet. This not only masks your IP address but also encrypts your internet traffic, offering both privacy and security. VPNs can help you bypass geographical restrictions and access the games that may not be available in your region. However, it's important to note that this could potentially violate the terms of service for certain games or content. Method 6. Check for system updates. Make sure your PS5 system software is up to date. Outdated system version can also cause the game to crash. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then select System Software section. Select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest updated file. Method 7. Change the DNS settings on your PS5. The next thing you can do is change the DNS settings. To do that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select Set up Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS settings. Select it and set it to Manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing error code NW-102655-9 while playing a game on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned, click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.